Hi there. In this Sage Business Cloud accounting video, I'll quickly look at using credit cards. So I'll create a brand new credit card account for purchase, a brand new credit account for sales to handle all of our sales from customers. And then I will make a purchase using your credit card, make a couple of sales, and then we'll reconcile those credit card accounts. So to add credit cards, I go to banking. I choose new, bank account, credit card, and I'll call this Visa. This is for purchases, and the last four digits of my credit card are 1234. And I just obtained this card, so I have no opening balance. I'll choose save. In real life, I would connect to a bank account. So to import all my transactions that I keying them in, I'll choose save. And then I'll choose expenses, vendor bills, new bill, vendor. I'll use Le Decor on February 12th. And their invoice number is LDI 1232. I'm buying a 105 or 6 105s, I should say. Six 310s. Six 715s. And six 101s. And I'll save. I'll choose record payment. And this is again on the 12th. And I'm paying with Visa. And I record. So I go to reconcile this. I received the statement on February 28th. So I choose banking again. I choose my account. Choose reconcile. And this is for Feb 28. And the end balance is 7332.50. Visa statement for the reference. The purchase that I just made appears on the statement, so I check that off. If I scroll all the way to the bottom, I see that the difference is $44. Incidentally, the statement also includes a service charge of $44. So I choose interest and charges and bank charge of $44. Again on the 28th. I choose save. And we're now at 0, so I can finish. And I've reconciled that account. Let's quickly add another credit card. This credit card that we're going to add is the credit card that is provided to us via the merchant account so that we can handle credit card sales to customers. So they would use MasterCard, Visa, Amex, whatever the bank accepts. They take a fee generally off of every single sale. We get a statement with the total amount that they've taken off of every sale, so we can just record the full sale and then record the fees for the institution handling those purchases or sales for us when we reconcile. So I'll choose banking. I'll choose new bank account, and as the credit card, and I'll call this credit card for sales. So it's receivable. You'll see that the way it's handled, or it was last time I looked, in the chart of accounts is as a liability. Same thing with the previous, even though they'll be owing us money. This is an entirely different account, but I'm just going to enter 4 for 1, 2, 3, 4 for the last 4 digits. And I'll choose save. In real life, of course, I would connect to my actual account so that the transactions would automatically be imported. And I'm going to go in ahead and receive some sales on this credit card. So I'll choose new invoice. This is from a walk-in customer. On February 11th. And they're buying a couple of 105s. And he pays with a credit card, so on this credit card we see his name is Isaac Farley. Quickly save that. Record payment on February 11th. Paid into credit card receivable. And record. Let's do one more. It's for Dixon on the 12th. And they're buying a couple of, they're buying a 310 and a 715. One of each. And I'll save. Record the payment, and again it's the 12th, same day as the invoice. They're paying right at the same time, and credit card receivable. So now, again, end of the month, I get my statement from the merchant account, again the institution that's handling all the transactions for me. So I'll go to back to banking, find my credit card account, and reconcile. And incidentally, credit cards are liability accounts. Even though they have a 1000 number on the chart of accounts and their bank account, they're actually a liability. So the balance from the statement has to be entered as a negative into this system. So I'm going to use minus 1977.88. So that's both of my purchases plus any service charges. And the reference is CC merchant statement. Apply. Both of these appear on my statement. So if I scroll down to the bottom, all that remains is $54.99, which incidentally is the service charge, about 3% of all of the sales. So I just choose interest and charges, and it's a bank charge, $54.99 on February 28th. Save, and we should have a balance of 0. So I can go ahead and finish. And the last thing I want to do is pay off my Visa. So again, I received a statement, and that's what I used to reconcile. Still have that statement in front of me. The total amount is $7,332.50. So in order to pay that, what you have to do is a transfer. So if I go to banking, I choose the account that I'm transferring from, new entry, bank transfer. It's coming from 1080 into my Visa. Electronic. The amount is $7,332.50, and it's February 28th. You can add a reference if you like, CC payment or something like that, and save. So you should see a balance of 0 for that bank account now. So again, that's adding credit cards to handle both sales and purchases, reconciling those accounts, and then paying off the credit card that we use for purchases. Thanks so much for watching.